Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Herminia Ginuwayan, 34 years old, married, with one child, a certified caregiver. I have experience working in Saudi Arabia for more than 2 years with 5 members of the family, Sir, Madam, and the 3 children, ages 8, 6, and 2 years old. The 6 years old is a special child, so I need to use the catheter to pee, and I use the tool to poo. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, ironing, cooking, teaching simple English to the children. And I finished my contract there. My second experience is in Qatar with 5 members of the family, Sir, Madam, and the 3 kids, ages 12, 10, and 8 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and mostly all around. That's all. Thank you.